Children, good morning. How are you all? I hope you and your family members are well at home. My hearty wishes to my students, those who are going celebrate today. Wish you happy birthday, students. To students, from today onwards, I am going to take your social subject. Social is a very interesting subject because we learn many things through social, like about the earth, universe, satellites, asteroids, about our country, our neighboring country, our landforms, our natural resources, like this. That's why I said social is a very interesting subject. Students, while you listening the class, you should listen the class very careful. Don't play while you listen the class. Let us go to our lesson. Children, already I have drawn some pictures on the board. I hope you all know very well about this diagram. Star, sun, moon, solar system, meteors and satellites. Children, let us ask one question. Where do we see this diagram? Yes, these objects are we see in the sky. So, the objects that we see in the sky, these objects are called celestial body. Now, you guess your heading of the lesson. Yes, our lesson heading is lesson 1. Celestial bodies. For your simple understanding, I am telling you once again, the object that we see in the sky are called celestial bodies. The another name of celestial body is called heavenly bodies. Okay, children, do you follow me? See, this lesson we are going to study about some topics. They are universe, galaxy, Milky Way, stars, constellation, the solar system, satellite, moon, asteroids and meteors. Understood, students? So, these topics are we are going to study about this lesson. First of all, we see the universe. Do you have any idea about universe? Yes, universe means the planets, stars and other forms of matter and energy that are in the space are collectively called the universe. See, look at this diagram. The stars, planets and other forms of matters that are in the space collectively called the universe. I am going to tell once again, universe consists of planets, stars, other forms of matter and energy, say togetherly called as universe. Do you understand, children? Now let us go to galaxy. The universe consists of lot of galaxies. The universe consists of lot of galaxies. Galaxy means a system of millions or billions of stars together with gas and dust held together by gravitational force. Once again I am telling you, a system of millions or billions of stars together with gas and dust held together by gravitational attraction. This is called galaxy. The galaxy consists of countless number of, that means n number of stars. Do you follow me, children? Yes, galaxy consists of countless number of stars. Next, shall we go to our next topic, Milky Way. Children, do you know very well about our solar system? The sun and the other planets which revolves around the sun is called the solar system. This solar system belongs to the galaxy. It is called Milky Way. Now you understood. The solar system belongs to the galaxy. It's called Milky Way. Do you know the another name of Milky Way? Yes, the another name of Milky Way is Akash Ganga. The another name of Milky Way is Akash Ganga. Once again, we recall our lesson. The lesson heading of the lesson is celestial bodies, the object that we all see in the space. These objects are called celestial bodies. Then another name of celestial body is heavenly bodies. Next topic is universe. Universe consists of planets, stars and other form of matter and energy. Universe has lot of galaxies. Galaxy has countless number of stars. Our solar system belongs to the galaxy. It is called Milky Way. I hope children, do you all understand? Now our homework is, children, these 10 words are hard words of this lesson. Today you are writing these 10 words, each words at 5 times in your social note. In your social note, children, please follow the work, follow your homework regularly. The remaining topics are, we will learn tomorrow. Thank you, children.